guys, it's me Guggex here, and today I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing video of my hopefully new microphone. So yeah, let's open this thing. I just got it here to my house for like maybe 30 minutes ago. And here it is. And just the packing is, let's get rid of that. Okay, so here it is. Blue Yeti. Ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. Yeah, so let's see what's included in this thing. Let's put it up here. Okay, just pull this up, I guess. Isn't the easiest thing to open? Okay, why isn't this just going up? Okay, there it comes. And that's just an empty box, which we can get rid of. Okay, let's see here. Okay, there's tape. Okay, so USB cable. And instruction manual, I guess. Okay, let's see here what's more. Okay, so let's see like that. Wasn't as easy to open as I assumed it would be, but okay. Okay, so here it is. And there's like paper stuck to it. Guess I can get it away somehow. Not right now though. Okay, so there's a mute button, volume adjustments. Something like on this box, I guess. Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. Yeah, that's with the MacBook Pro mic. Siberia V2 microphone. Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. Okay, and now to the Blue Yeti. Okay, lastly but not least, the Blue Yeti. Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. So yeah, as you guys could hear, this microphone, the Blue Yeti, was way better than both my other microphones. The MacBook Pro had quite a good microphone, even though it's not really high quality sound, but there was no background noise really, or no buzzing sound at all, which I could hear. The Siberia V2 microphone, I don't know if my headset is broken in some way, because it has really much background noise and is a bit buzzing, if you ask me. So yeah, this one easily made a better result. So yeah, if you are looking for a new microphone and you can afford this one, I would definitely recommend it. I will continue to use this microphone for all my videos that's coming up. I am planning to have some more unboxing videos. I have some more things to unbox. So yeah. And I will probably end the giveaway in 2 days, maybe. And so yeah, good luck to all that are participating in it. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.